Students, in exercise 5.1 we will do question number 10. In question number 10 a figure is given to us. This one is the figure, and in first part we have to tell vertical opposite angle. In second part we have to tell linear pairs. So let us start the solution. The first part is vertical opposite angle. What are the vertical opposite angle? We know that when two opposite lines intersect like this, the opposite angles so form are called vertical opposite angle, like this and this. So see in our figure, angle this and angle this are the vertical opposite angles. Same in our figure, angle 1 and angle 4 are the vertical opposite angle, because when we extend this line, this extended to angle 4 and another lines also extended to angle 4. So angle 1 and angle 4 are the vertical opposite angle. Second, this angle and this angle is also vertical opposite, this one and this one. See in our figure, angle 5, we extend the rays of this angle, this extended to here and other ray extended to here. So angle 5 is vertical opposite to angle 2 plus angle 3. This is the sum of angle 2 plus 3 vertical opposite to angle 5. So what is the answer of first? Angle 1 and angle 4. Second is angle 5 and sum of angle 2 plus 3 are the vertical opposite angle. The second part is linear pairs. So what are the linear pair? Linear pair are angles forms on a straight line. Angle form on a straight, two adjacent angle form on a straight lines whose non-common sides are in opposite direction. In our figure, this is a straight line, and which two angles are on this line? Angle 1 and angle 5. The non-common sides are on the opposite direction. So this angle 1 and angle 5 are the linear pair. This one is a straight line, angle 1 and angle 5 are formed on this. These are the straight line. Another one is, this one is also a straight line. This one is also a straight line. ये लाइन स्लैंडिंग लाइन है बट ये स्ट्रेट है. तो एंगल, विच एंगल आर फॉर्म ऑन दिस लाइन? एंगल 5 and angle 4. So angle 5 and angle 4 also a linear pair, because non-common sides, this one and this one, are in opposite direction. Common side is this one is the common side, and non-common side angle 5 and angle 4 in opposite direction. So angle 5 and angle 4 also a linear pair. So what is the answer of 2? Angle 1 and angle 5, and another answer is angle 5 and angle 4. So these are the solution of question number 2. Second part of question number